If you love crispy shrimp, this burrito is about to become your new obsession. And if you love quick homemade recipes, make sure to follow for more. For the rice, add turmeric to salted boiling water. Add the white basmati rice and cook until tender. Drain well, then mix through the fresh coriander and set aside. Now let's make the slaw. Add the shredded red cabbage, the carrot, soy sauce, fresh lime juice, and honey. Mix everything together until well combined and reserve. Now for the shrimp. Season with Cajun seasoning, mustard powder, and 1 egg, then toss everything together. Add the cornstarch and coat each shrimp evenly. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp in a single layer. You may need to cook them in batches. Cook for about 30 seconds per side. Now it's time to build the burritos. Take 1 tortilla and place the rice in the center. Add 2 or 3 lettuce leaves on top of the rice. Add 6 to 8 crispy shrimps. Top with about 1/3 cup of the carrot and cabbage mixture. Drizzle generously with creamy salsa verde. Slice, serve, and enjoy.